Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to add and remove tiles on our OnePlus Watch 2R. So let's check it out. Google might change the settings for the Wear OS watch in the future. If the options look different when you're watching this, please let us know in the comments. We will provide the updated steps for this. Tiles are like mini screens where we can get quick information or do any quick action. This will help us to save time, like we don't have to search and open the app to get any update. Kindly keep in mind, not all the applications support this. To add a new tile, we have to take our OnePlus Watch 2R. The steps could be more or less the same for other updated Wear OS watches too. Then we have to go to the Google Play Store app. We have to open the Google Play Store app. And here we can simply search for the app we have installed. For example, I'll search for Microsoft Outlook or just Outlook. Open it. And here we have the add tile option. We just have to select that. That's all, tile added. Now we can go to the home screen, and if we swipe like this, we can see the Microsoft Outlook tile we just added. We can also long press any available tile like this. We will get this plus option. We can select that. Here we can see all the available tiles according to the apps we have. We can browse them and we can add them. And suppose if we want to remove any tile, then we just have to long press it and we have to swipe this up. It will be deleted. That's all. The process might be a bit different on other brand watches, but this usually works. These are the steps to add and remove tiles on our OnePlus Watch 2R. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.